Protocol observed. My name is Margaret Kwada Julius. I am the president and founder of the Eye Opener Women and Youth Foundation. The Eye Opener is a non-governmental, non-political, non-partisan, and non-profitable organization with the vision of empowering life to fulfill purpose. It is said that the youth are the future leaders. But this organization, we have observed that the exuberant youth, life is not well secured. In this organization, we have different programs that we do to help the community. And one of it is what we call War Against the Asa and Save the Future Leaders. Now, if you want to know the future of a country, see what is happening to the youth. One of the problems that the government are facing today is insecurity problem. But in this organization, we have come to discover that if the security of individual is not first secured, the community will not have its full security. So today we come out to celebrate a drug-free day, believing that one day and hoping that one day our country, Nigeria, is going to be a free drug country. Do you believe that? Yes. So what we do in this community, our fight is not against the youth or the women, because there are so many women today are even on drugs. We are after the drugs. We love the addict. We don't condemn them, because we understand that a problem leads to the other that led them to that drug addict. So what we do in this community, in this NGO, we reach out to them with the heart of love and get them, then reform them, rehabilitate them, and then empower them. And I want to assure you that these youth, these women that are addicts, that you think they are non-entity or they are nobody, they are the future leaders of this country. Even the mothers today, it is said that behind a successful man is a woman. But all the mothers, most of the women today, they are confused because of their children. Some of them are into drugs. So the Eye Opener, we are reaching to the jungles, to the streets, getting back our youth and women, and work on them to make them free drug people and make them what they ought to be in this life. Now with this, you will understand what we do in this community, in this organization. We have so many things that we are doing, but I want to tell you, don't look down on anybody. Don't condemn them. I'm calling on the community and the state. You might not be part of the Eye Opener, but look around you. Work on even one person. Work on even one person. They are not what you think they are. In fact, they are the best people I love working with, the drug addict. I'm not in support of what they are doing. I hate the drugs, but we love them. Yes. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, our fathers. Good morning, the youth. Good morning, everybody. My name, Fatima Popola. I work at the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Kaduna State Command, and I'm in the Directorate of Drug Demand Reduction. Our work is to see that young people, young boys, young girls, women, the whole community is rid of drug. This year, we are here today to celebrate part of the United Nations Day on Drug Trafficking and Abuse with the Eye Opener, which is an NGO of this community. The president of the Eye Opener has already said a lot, but I want to tell all of us today that drug abuse, drug misuse, drug addiction is not a crime. It is a sickness of the brain. Drug abuse, addiction is a sickness of the brain. That is why the United Nations this year, the theme of the program this year says, Health for Justice, Justice for Health. What did I say? Health for Justice, Justice for Health. That is the theme of the United Nations Day for 2019. No more criminalization, no more stigmatization, no more discrimination of people who use drugs. You don't call them addicts again. You call them people who use drugs, because nearly everybody in this world have used one drug or the other. Even if it's paracetamol, you have used a drug. Some people are misusing paracetamol. Some people are misusing ampicillin. And they are all drugs. It's not only the person who smokes Indian hemp, who smokes cannabis, that is misusing or abusing drugs. Some people abuse even local made drugs. Even this herb that we are using at home, people misuse and abuse it. So this year, we are talking about health for justice and justice for health. That means that everybody, people who are addicted to drugs, are not criminals. They have sickness, and this sickness is sickness of the brain. It is sickness of the brain because the person who is using drugs, something is pushing him to continue to use the drug, and that thing is being controlled inside his brain. That means this person needs to be taken care of medically. This person needs to be taken to the hospital to be treated so that his brain will function like a normal human being's brain. Therefore, just like she said, there is no more criminalization. There is no more stigmatization. There is no more discriminating of people who use drugs. We are all brothers and sisters. And if we show love and care to ourselves, then the society will be able to be a better place for us to live in. Thank you very much as we enjoy this day. God bless us all. Thank you.